Hi everyone, welcome back to school. It's Mrs. Holbrook and of course Brady the Bulldog, and we're here to help you understand some new rules for lunchtime. Are you ready? I'm so hungry. Okay, you two, let's get ready. So you're in your classroom. The first thing you need to do before you go to lunchtime is use the bathroom. So if you have to go to the bathroom, it's really important that you go before lunch. Okay? So let your teacher know, Mrs. Cox, can I use the bathroom, please? Okay, so after you go to the bathroom, your teacher will have you line up 6 feet apart. And remember, a good way to remember 6 feet is using your zombie arms so that you're not touching everyone, to be responsible, keep yourself healthy, and your friends healthy. After you line up, you need to make sure that you sanitize. So before you leave your classroom, your teacher will press the pump and you'll get your hand sanitizer and rub those hands together. Okay, now that your hands are nice and clean, we're gonna get ready for the hallway. So keep those hands out like zombies if you want. We used to have to put our hands at our sides in the hallways, but this year we're gonna make sure that we have enough space from everybody else as we walk. Wow, look, that's Miss Colombo making sure she's keeping her safe distance from everybody else. She's being so respectful. I love it. Okay, so I'm walking very respectfully down to the cafeteria. Some of you are eating in the gym this year. That's kind of cool, isn't it? I have lunch in the cafeteria, but Brady has lunch in the gym. So when we get to the entrance of our lunch spot, we're going to make sure that we keep our distance and we go to our assigned seat. On the first day, you might not have an assigned seat, but once you do, you'll know where to go. So you'll sit down, and then the first thing you can do is take off your mask. You're in your safe space away from everybody, so this is allowed. Great. Next, you can take your mask and fold it so that you'll be able to hang it. If you look to the side of the desk, there's a hook there. So we're going to say the left side. Go ahead with your hands. Which one looks like an L? This one does. So this is my left side over here. So on the left side of your desk, you're going to find a little hook down here. This side's going to be for our mask. And then if you have your lunch from home, you can put your lunch up on your desk, take out all the food, and hang your lunch box over here on the right side. Cool hooks, right? So all that's left on your desk is your food. And then you can take your time and enjoy your meal. Have some pizza and some water. And when you're all done eating, you should gather your garbage. If you need to put any like Tupperware back in your lunchbox, do that. And when it's all gathered together and you need to throw it out, you should put your mask back on and raise your hand. And when one of the adults comes over, they will give you like the heads up to go ahead and put it in the trash. If everybody got up at the same time, we'd be a little too close at the trash cans. So that's why we're going to raise our hand to make sure there's enough clearance by the trash. All right. And after you throw out your trash, you can just relax in your seat a little bit. And then there might be some fun games going on the screen or some other directions that come from the adults in your room. All right, those are the new rules. I hope you have a great lunch and a great day. And remember, be safe, be respectful, be responsible, and be a bulldog.